Today's medical-centric topic is, what is metabolic confusion, and does it really work? Metabolic confusion sounds like something you don't want, but in the world of weight loss, it's actually a trending diet strategy. Also known as calorie cycling, this approach promises fat loss without plateauing or slowing your metabolism. But does it actually work? And is there any science behind it? Let's break it down. What is metabolic confusion? Metabolic confusion is a diet method where you intentionally vary your daily calorie intake, alternating between high-calorie and low-calorie days. The idea is to confuse your metabolism so it doesn't adapt and slow down like it might on a constant low-calorie diet. For example, Day 1, 1,800 calories. Day 2, 1,200 calories. Day 3, 2,000 calories. Day 4, 1,400 calories. You still eat in a weekly calorie deficit, but with variation instead of restriction every day. The theory behind it. Traditional dieting can cause your body to adapt to lower calories, making it harder to keep losing weight. Metabolic confusion aims to prevent metabolic slowdown by keeping the body guessing. Proponents say, boosts fat burning, preserves lean muscle mass, reduces diet fatigue, prevents weight loss plateaus. But is this backed by research? What the science says. Studies on calorie cycling are limited but promising. A small 2020 study found that people who practiced intermittent calorie cycling lost similar amounts of weight as those on a consistent low-calorie diet, but reported less hunger and better satisfaction. Varying calorie intake may help preserve muscle mass, which supports metabolism. Hormones like leptin and ghrelin, which regulate hunger and fullness, may respond more favorably when intake isn't the same every day. Still, more large-scale studies are needed to confirm these effects over time. Benefits of metabolic confusion. Flexibility. You can enjoy higher calorie days without guilt. Reduced burnout. Not every day feels like a diet. Better adherence. May be easier to stick to long-term. Potential to avoid plateaus. But be careful. It's not magic. You still need to maintain a calorie deficit overall. Without structure, it can turn into binge-restrict cycles. Not ideal for people with disordered eating patterns. Results vary based on activity, sleep, and food quality. Bottom line. Metabolic confusion isn't a metabolism hack. It's a strategic way to create variety in your diet while still losing weight. It can work if done correctly, but it's not a free pass to eat whatever you want on high days.
Thank you for watching our video. Please do not forget to like and share the video. Also, please subscribe to the channel to stay updated on our latest videos.